I'm Sharon, welcome to my house. Favorite part I think will be the kitchen and this tatami room.
Okay. So originally this room right wasn't supposed to be done. Okay, we only wanted to do the bedroom and the kitchen and the living room. Somehow in between, they decided to do probably this room also.
The main idea mainly come from my ID designer and my husband.
They like Japanese stuff. So the first thing I did was I just went on Google. So the only thing that people actually lack in Singapore is this little. So to recreate something like that, right, is to literally just build it up in Singapore. And then this zoo is also one of the things that you visit in Japan. You will see a lot in Singapore. So we want to incorporate all these things along the tatami room with this table.